Hello everyone. Today I am presenting my Java mini project called e-commerce platform. I have made this project using JSP, GDBC, MySQL and HTML and CSS. I have used Apache Tomcat for my servlets. The system supports user authentication and admin dashboard, a products page, a my cart page and a previous orders page. This is my current database. It has categories table, order items table, orders, products, and users. The orders table it shows the orders of a particular users, and the order items stores the items of that particular order for that user. Now I shall show a demo. This is my login page. I can register as a user. After selecting the role as a user, I can register. Now I shall verify in the database. As you can see, I have added a new user. As now I've registered, I will try to log in. When the user logs in, they can access the products page. It shows the username, and these are the products. I can filter the products based on category. For example, if I want products related to clothing, I can click that and it will show only products in the clothing category. I can add items to cart which is there in the HTTP session. As you can see, beside my cart there is a number 0. It shows the number of products which I have added to my cart. When I add new products, the numbers will increase. I can check the items in my cart. I can increase or decrease the number of items, and I can even remove the items. This shows the subtotal, and this is the total. Now if I click proceed to payment, it shows that the payment is successful. If I go to my orders, it shows my previous orders which are placed. This also shows the date and time. I can verify my that the orders is stored in the database. The most recently made order. Order items shows the it shows the items in a particular order. For example, I had two items in order ID 4, and those items product ID, quantity, and the price are also present. I can also log out, and I can log in as an admin. When I log in as an admin, it will ask for an additional employee code. When I log in as an admin, it takes me to the admin dashboard. An admin can add new categories for products. For example, I can add a new category called, for example, I can add a new item category called uh, women's clothing. Now I will verify in the database. As you can see, women's clothing has been added as the sixth category. I can also add products. I have also made an admin panel using JSwing. and conduct CRUD operations for categories and the products in their machine itself instead of logging in a website. Shows I can add, edit, delete categories. The same goes for products. The images of the products is being stored in my web apps folder. Each servlet code in this Java project maps to a certain JSP file. For example, login servlet maps to login.jsp. It shows the login page. This is the register servlet. The register and login servlet has user authentication code. Then the product servlet used to retrieve product info from the database. The cart servlet is used to store the selected items into a session cart. I'm using HTTP session. The checkout servlet is used to place orders with the items of the cart. It actually adds order items. It actually adds rows in order items and orders table in the database. The database connection connects my Java project to MySQL server. The admin servlet shows the admin panel where I can perform CRUD operations to my products and categories table. This is my web apps folder. This is register JSP. And this is login JSP. Both of these pages are used for user authentication. Register JSP allows the user to log in to register either as a user or an admin. Login JSP also has role-based login functionality. Products JSP is used to show the product details retrieved from the database. Admin JSP is used to show the admin panel. It shows admin dashboard UI. The cart JSP shows the items which the user has placed in their cart session. My orders JSP shows previous orders. And payment success JSP just shows a small pop-up window saying that the payment has been successful. This is just a dummy payment function. That will be all for my project. Thank you.